Good afternoon, one and all present here. This is Surya, and I am here to present the information about the internship under the topic Secure Data Sharing User Module under the guidance of Professor Deepti N. About the company. First, let's talk about the company. The company I work is during the internship is Internal Software Services. The company profile is like this. Internal Software Services provides a broad of information technology solutions and business process to its clients. Our core professional companies of product development, smart web solution, business processing, consultant services, as well as professional conversion and migration services in information technology. Build strong partnership that ensure value for customer across technologies, services, and industries. Adapt and tailor our skills, process, and experience with our customers' business model, requirements, and culture provide a stable, transparent, and growth-oriented environment for all the employees worldwide, enabling an individual excellent commit to being a good corporate citizen dedicated to building better communities through social invitations. The main vision of the company is on new technology using proven and cost effective method for each client. Working with customers to achieve their business objectives is our highest priority. So objective of the company is believing in adapting quickly to the changing environment and see every change and challenges such as opportunity to set up apart and distinguish ourselves. We are quick adapt technology changes to manage a different environment, meeting different needs of customer, talking on wider job spokes and rise to occasion. Next, what we did. So during the internship, we gained a good understanding of project called data sharing, where my job was to understanding and creating the registration page, home page, and an application. Data sharing is an important functionality in cloud storage. It shows how to securely, efficiently, and flexibly share data with another cloud storage. We will go very brief in what work we did. So here we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript where user gets login, and we have used MySQL database to fetch or validate the data. Then we evaluate the content. Once user login, then their user will have an option for upload and download facility. And when he clicks for the upload option, then it will be taken to encryption option where there we have used an algorithm called DES, data encryption algorithm. Then through the algorithm, we will fetch the information or value. Then that will be to converted as ciphertext as key, then that will be sent to a user through a mail. For sending a mail, we have used SMTP protocol. This is all about the user part. So coming to the admin login can manage the user. If you want to delete some users, he can delete. Or if you want to delete user he wanted, you can delete and manage the files. And we can delete the unwanted files or etc. Next, technical outcomes. We have come across technical like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, ASP.NET, and MySQL. Next, coming to the part of non-technical outcomes, monitoring and correcting performances, exercising leadership, behaving professionally, applying knowledge to the task, improving problem solving and critical thinking skills. These are all the non-technical outcomes we have come across the internship present the work experience. It was very nice work experience during where I worked in that company. That was ability to perform well under pressure also. So good communication skills was taught, and task was assigned time to time, where the task has to be completed within a given amount of time, and we have learned to manage the time. So these are the snapshots where we have created a user and admin page. This is the login page. This register page. Then this is a login, and this is a file upload page. Benefits of doing internship: apply classroom knowledge, have an edge in a job market. In briefly, this internship has been excellent in rewarding experience. So I can conclude that there have been a lot I have learned from this work at Intel Software Services. Two main things that I have learned are the importance of the time management skills and self motivation. So this is a certification that been certified during the internship for my work. Thank you.